Alright, now I've poured some of this Restore Finish in there. There's a little bit more. Alright, I'm going to show you the color. This is a golden oak. Alright, and this is what the label looks like. Okay, it shows the dark. Now that shows it's in one coat. No, I've put 3 coats on this overhead oak light panel. Alright, and then now I'm going to finish it off. There's polyurethane in here. Alright, and I poured this Restore Finish into the polyurethane. Alright, that's the polyurethane. Now I'm going to mix this in. Alright, so we're adding stain to the polyurethane. Now the polyurethane has a concentrated amber look, which you're seeing in there at the bottom. This is the urethane and stain mixed. Alright, and this is the golden oak stain that I've mixed in here. Alright, this is going to give this a nice high gloss finish, this overhead light panel that I showed in my last video on staining these cabinet doors and drawers. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of lacquer thinner to that to thin it down a little bit more. Okay, some lacquer thinner in there. Thin it down. Should be good. I'd roughly say it's about a half a cup, quarter cup, half a cup. Alright. Maybe more like a quarter cup. Get this all mixed in real thorough. Okay, now let's apply this. Okay, the other day you could see the light and the darks on this from where I had sanded, alright? And I've just gone over this with 4 coats of this Restore Finish, alright? And you can see it's pretty much solid. No lights, no darks. Okay. I want you to see that up close and personal. Okay. Alright, now we're going to start staining. Okay, the first coat of poly with the stain mixed into it. Alright, going on, prior to this, we had 4 coats of Restore Finish on this. Okay, now Restore Finish leaves it with like a satin finish. Now, this poly, as in polyurethane, it's going to have a gloss finish. So this should come out really nice. Now that I've done that, okay, this is something some companies wouldn't do, but I'm getting on this inner detailed edge here. Okay, because I want you, or the people that purchase this home, to know that every part has gone over. So this is as if it was done for the first time. Okay, this has all been sanded and The Restore finish has been applied, and now this finished coat with the polyurethane is also being applied to this detailing here, which, like I say, most people wouldn't even fool with it. Why? Because you're not up here looking at it. You know, you're not going to really see it. But doing it right, taking the time to do it right, you know, doing things quick is good. As you see, I'm not spending a lot of time, but I'm making sure it's all getting covered. All right. Now, is this going to sell the house? No, but it's the principle of it's done right. When the light hits it, it's going to reflect it, and it's going to look brand new as an end result. And that's what I'm talking about. Okay. Bam. And I'm going to show you this up close and personal right now. Okay, you can definitely see the shine that's on it. Now when it's dry, it should remain the same. Now, I'm going to do the next half, which is over there. Alright, this is a 4-panel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that's the other side. Okay. This is a medicine cabinet. Alright. It's going to get an oak door. This is an oak frame. You can see by the coarseness of the grain. It's definitely oak, and it's solid oak, 1x. Alright. They don't make them like this anymore. Then the back's is black. And then those shelves will be gray, which will tie into the marble countertop that's going in this location right here. Alright, with the blue and silver vessel sinks. So the gray, this will be gray, the shelving will be gray. And so that's really going to look pretty sharp. Alright, and then here's this windowsill that I was doing the other day. Alright, and then we have this here. So far as those that are into decorating and whatnot, we've got the L, we've got this, we've got this, then we'll have the black countertop here, not countertop, the black cabinet that goes along here, that's about 6 feet long. Alright, so we have our L, so it's all complete, and so that's going to look pretty good. Alright, so let's see if I can get the angle in here on the detailing and show you that detailing. See, you can see the light reflecting, and that's going to look like it's brand new when I'm done with it. Okay, it's going to look like this was recently installed as an end result. And this is solid oak. Everything in here is solid oak, except for the door. The door is solid. That door right there is solid. It's a solid door. Alright. So, we've got the silver switch plate that I've made over there. Alright. That's silver. Alright. And there's a custom shower. Whoops. I'm showing my mess. There's a custom shower right there. Okay. Alright, that ends the live stream. So I look forward to hear from you. So God bless. Like After 1 minute, hit the thumbs up, share, put in a playlist, comment. I look forward to hear from you. So don't be a stranger. Bye for now. God bless. And never give up, because there's always a way. Always. For up close and personal videos where you see the details and explain to you, don't forget Easy2 Tips and Tricks, ETC. Bye for now. Bye.